51 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য সাব ট্রপিক্যাল টু হায়ার প্রেশার অ্যান্ড বেল্ট আর আদারওয়াইজ ইজ কল্ড। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, horse and latitudes, the subtropical to higher pressure of the belt and otherwise is called. 51 number question explain the areas of the subtropical to higher pressure and are located between the latitude 215 and 315 and S, and this is the higher pressure zones and called in the horse latitude. It is the area which is the receive and little and the precipitation of the and has the variable winds and mixed with an claim. Next question. 52 number question কি বলছে, the main and the advantage of the rain water and harvesting RWH is। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, recharge of the ground and water, the main of the advantage in the rain water and the harvesting. 52 number question explain the rainwater harvesting is the simple collection or the storing of water through and scientific of the technique from the areas where the rain and falls. It is the technique and the increasing the recharge of the groundwater by the capturing the storing of the rainwater by the constructing structures and such as the dug wells and percolating and the pit and the check of the dams. Next question. 53 নাম্বার কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য ক্লাইমেটিক জোনস আর ইন দ্য ক্লাসিফাইড অন দ্য বেসিক অফ। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, rainfall, the climatic zones and classified on the basic of। 53 number question explain the climatic zones and classified on the basic of the maximum and minimum temperatures and the temperature and the range as well as the total seasonal and the distribution of the precipitation. Based on this is the parameter the most and commonly in the classification of the scheme was an originally and developed by the Waldmeer and Kopan. Next question. 54 number question কি বলছে, the atmospheric layer then farthest from the earth's surface is the known as। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, exosphere, the atmospheric layer and farthest from the earth's surface is the known as। 54 number question explain the extending from the top of the thermosphere and 10,000 kilometer above the earth is the exosphere which is the farthest from the earth. This is the layer has a very atmospheric molecules which is the can escape into space. Next question. 55 number question কি বলছে, the layer of the atmospheric in which of the radio waves and the reflect to back is the called। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, ionosphere, this is the layer of the atmospheric in radio waves and the reflecting back is the called। 55 number question explain the radio waves and reflect in the back to earth in the ionosphere which is the electrically charged to layer to upper and atmosphere. This is the process to use and communicate beyond the horizon and international distance and mostly and short wave of the frequency of the band. Next question. 56 number question কি বলছে, the wind rose and represents। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, wind and turbulence, just wind and rose and represents। 56 number question explain a wind rose in the graphic and tool and used and metamorphologist that to give you the succinct view and the hoe and wind speed and the direction and the typically and the distributed and particular location. Next question. 57 number question কি বলছে, the typhoon are uncommon in the। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, seas of the China and Japan to typhoons are in the common. 57 number question, explain the typhoon and common in the China Sea and along the margins on the West Pacific Ocean. Next question. 58 number question, explain smog is a combination of এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, smoke and a fog. The smoke is the combination. 58 number question, explain the term the smoke was in a fast use London and during the early 19,000 to describe the combination of the smoke and fog. What is the typically called the smoke today in mixer and pollutant, but is the primarily made up to ground and level and ozone. Next question. 59 number question কি বলছে the frontal rain is the caused by এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, cyclonic activity and the frontal rain is the caused. 59 number question, explain the frontal rainfall and the type of the precipitation which is the occur when the warm air masses and cold air mass of the meet extratropical and cyclone from us and waves along the weather and front before to occluding and later in the there in the life of the cycle as cold and cyclones and cyclones and the development of the stating and cyclonic of the circulation in the atmosphere and the low pressure of the area. Next question. 60 number question কি বলছে the troposphere is the hottest part of the atmospheric because এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, it is the heated by the earth's surface. The troposphere is the hottest part, the atmospheric and 60 number question, explain the lowest part of the troposphere is the warmest and because it's the closest of the ground. Where is the heat is coming from? সাবস্ক্রাইব না মাই WBCS টেকনোস্টাডি। যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে লাইক করো, কমেন্ট করো, বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করো। আর যারা নতুন আছো তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলা হচ্ছে প্লিজ চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। তো আজকের মতন এখানে শেষ, নমস্কার।